unboxing ROG STRIX Gaming 4070 Super. I'm really excited to see how this looks. I think this graphics card is one of the best looking graphics card. And right on top of the box here, we have the overclock edition, which runs you about $50 more. We have 12 gigabytes of VRAM, and what makes the 40 series very powerful is DLSS 3, and their ray tracing is definitely one of the best here. And taking a look at the back here, we have more features of this graphics card. Now you'll see here that you'll get a 3-year limited warranty, so that's really awesome, knowing that when you buy this card, you're gonna be supported for about 3 years, so that's really cool. Here, see what we get. Alright, here's the inside of the box. We have ROG STRIX in this really nice silvery color here. We have "For Those Who Dare" right on the box. Alright, and there we have it, guys, the 4070 Super. This thing looks absolutely beautiful. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Let's go ahead and peel off the plastics. But after taking off the plastic, you can see the black color looks so nice. I mean, this is fire. What I love about the black color here is that these little portion here has a nice little red and blue color, and I think it looks so good. I have a 4090 in white, and I like the fact that this has color with the black. It looks really nice. The whole design of this graphics card is very boxy. It's a very rectangular, and it's one of the very few cards that look really good when installed horizontally. So when it's horizontally is how it kind of looks like on top, and I think it still looks good. But I definitely would prefer having it vertically mounted, so I'll show you guys how that looks. And then on this side here, we have Republic of Gamers, with this portion over here going to be lit up RGB, and then this portion over here is also going to be lit up with RGB as well. So even if you have it horizontally, you'll still be able to see this portion RGB, which is really nice. And then this 4070 Super features a display port. Let's see here, 2 HDMIs here. So that gives you a whole ton of options to connect a lot of inputs, which is really nice. And then we have the nice little cover for the PCIe slot here. Go ahead and put this aside and see what else we get inside the box. And it looks like we get a belted strap, maybe for cable management. Here is the connector for the power supply. I personally like to use the streamer cables, which definitely look a lot better, but this is going to be used to attach to the graphics card and into your PCIe, and it looks like it only takes 2 PCIes. We also get an anti-sag bracket here, and what I really like about this is that it looks really nice in the case, and you just basically unscrew this portion and you have a good amount of adjustability here, and then you can just make it tight and basically have it so that it doesn't sag. I'm not sure if it's gonna sag, honestly, because this card doesn't weigh as much as my 4090, but we'll see. And for inside, we're gonna get a nice quick start guide, little diagram of how you should connect it, details about the graphics card holder, warranty card, and then they give you this nice little cool looking card here. You can see a 5-star ROG STRIX, really nice if you want to display it. And here we have some cardboard holders. So far, the presentation of the packaging looks really awesome. All right, this is how the graphics card is gonna look like when it's horizontally mounted. And as you can see here, the colors really look nice. You're gonna have that Republic of Gamers on the red. Now all of this could be customized with Aura Sync, is the program that I use to change these colors. So you can literally change this to rainbow or any other static color that you might want, or a particular effect. I have basically the red color sync with the RAM sticks and the motherboard as well, so they're all synced to red. And then I use the L-Connect software to basically customize the colors of the fans. And if we look on this side over here, you can see that on this portion here, you'll be able to see the color of your GPU from this side over here. So it definitely looks really nice, especially with the streamer cables. I think it looks really nice, everything nice and lit up. So if you are considering and horizontally mounting it, I think it looks great. A lot of people like to even put something right on top of here, maybe like an action figure or something like that, plants. You know, you can put something up there. Now you'll notice this little hole right over here. You can always reapply one of these little slots here and put it back to cover that up, but I'm going to horizontally mount the GPU instead, so we're going to see how that looks. All right, here we have the 4070 Super vertically mounted. In my opinion, it looks so much better than having it horizontal. It's just my personal opinion. Now what I love about it vertically mounted is that you can see the details of this graphics card even better, especially that blue and red accent. I think it looks so nice. Now the case that I'm using here is the NZXT H9 Elite in black, and I am using the NZXT vertical mounting kit as well. And the RGB cables that you see connected to the 4070 Super are Lee streamer cables, in case you wanted to know what those lights were. And the fans that I'm using here are the Lee SL Infinity fans. And to control the lighting of the GPU, I use ASUS's Armory Crate to control the RGB from the GPU, RAM sticks, and the motherboard. The fans, I'm using Lee's L-Connect software to control the lighting of the fans. Now you notice that the 4070 Super is not leveled completely, so I would definitely use an anti-sag bracket here. I just need to take a minute out of my day to just do it. Overall, I've been impressed with the performance of the ROG STRIX 4070 Super paired with the Ryzen 9 7900X. As you guys might know, I've been testing a lot of 1440p monitors using this GPU, and on games like Modern Warfare 3 and Forza 5, it gave me a great balance between performance and visual fidelity. There's a lot of ways you can customize the graphics settings, but for me, I like using either the second or third highest graphics presets with DLSS enabled to either quality or balanced. I can't speak on 4K performance, but for 1440p, this does the job. I also ran a 3D Mark Speedway benchmark and got a score of 5,344 with an average temperature of 59 degrees Celsius. This is my first time benchmarking, so I can't really say how good or bad the score is and how much the CPU took into account, but it does say it scored 61% better than all results, so I'll take it. Price of this overclocked ROG STRIX 4070 Super is priced $160 more than the base starting price of the 4070 Super Founders Edition. You might think that they're price gouging, but the reason why this card is their most expensive 4070 Super is because of the design, higher overclocks, and cooling system. If you care about aesthetics and performance, then I think it's worth the price for a beautiful card. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I would appreciate your support with a like, share, and subscribe. Firewolf out.